What's up, guys? Water in the trunk. Quick tip. This is for the 5th gen Honda Prelude. There's 3 things you need to check. Sunroof drain, taillight gasket, trunk gasket. You need to check those 3 things. I'm going to show you real quick. Taillights are pretty straightforward. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 10 millimeters in there. And once you unscrew those, pop this out. Boom. Here's your first gasket. Right here. Just close up, you can see it's pretty dirty. It's pretty disgusting. This one's not bad. I think this one probably won't leak, but sometimes you can just flip them, take it off, and flip it, and they work pretty good. So you just want to pull that off, flip it, or replace it, whatever, and put the light back on. Not hard, guys. Not hard at all. So that's it. The second thing you want to check, and this is what did it for me. I did all the other ones. But I ended up having to replace the actual trunk gasket. This plastic that goes all around the trunk, check that. Sometimes it's got holes in it, it's cracked, it's just plastic, whatever. So just double check that here. So don't be an idiot like me and be like, oh my god, I need to take the trunk off to do this. How do I put this on? Because it's all one piece. All you got to do is just put it around the trunk. Like, just slide it over. It's big enough. You put it over, you just slide it in, and you're good to go. No feeling like an idiot. And you could buy a new one. I would just buy a new one, because honestly, if you're trying to foolproof yourself for the future, just do all of them. And then the last thing is the sunroof drain. So basically there's 2 tubes on either side of the trunk, and you just need to pull the tube out, and there's like a little drainage plug. Sometimes it gets, if your car sits for a while, it gets dirty in there. There's like leaves and junk and crud. It's pretty disgusting sometimes. Inside the trunk, right here, that's your tube. And on the opposite side, that's your tube right there. So you just got to pull those out. And maybe you got junk in there, maybe you don't. They're pretty easy to clean though. That is the tube that you're trying to get to. Pull the tube out, whatever. That's easy enough. And then this one's clean, but crud gets stuck in there, so you just gotta blast that out, bring it inside, shoot some water through it or whatever. And that's it. And then when you gotta go to reinstall it, this can be kind of a pain because you gotta stick this through. And so pop that bad boy back in, throw the tube back in there, and you're good to go. No more water in your trunk. So it's 3 things: sunroof drain, the taillight gaskets, and the trunk gaskets. Like I said, it's pretty easy. Fix your trunks, fix your trunks. Stop carrying water around, because when winter comes, you get ice. Depending on how much water you have, you'll get ice in there, and then you got to get a chisel. You got to chisel the ice out. You got to throw the ice blocks onto the ground. Nobody wants that. Don't do that. Don't do that. Fix that. Fix it, and you're done. All right. Fix your trunks. There's the sunroof. There's the sunroof thing. I don't know. The sunroof drain. There's the sunroof drain.